Burn calories, build endurance, and stay active without leaving your house. Best Home Bike for weight loss helps make daily cardio workouts more comfortable, effective, and easy to fit into your routine while supporting long-term fitness goals and steady progress. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. YOSUDA 300 pounds Home Bike. The YOSUDA 300 pounds home bike is built for users who want a stable, quiet, and long-lasting indoor cycling experience. Designed with a heavy-duty steel frame and a 25 pounds flywheel, it delivers consistent resistance that supports both beginner and advanced training levels. The belt-driven mechanism ensures smooth pedaling motion with minimal noise, making it suitable for apartments or shared living spaces. One of its strongest advantages is its stability during intense workouts, as the frame is engineered to hold up to 300 pounds without wobbling. Comfort is also well addressed through its adjustable handlebars and 4-way padded seat, allowing different riders between 4 feet 8 and 6 feet tall to find a proper fit. The inclusion of cage-style pedals improves foot security, especially during fast-paced cycling sessions. Additionally, the built-in LCD display helps track key workout metrics like time, distance, and calories, while the tablet holder adds entertainment options. Bluetooth connectivity and smart app support further enhance motivation by enabling virtual cycling experiences. Overall, this bike is a strong all-rounder for weight loss and endurance training at home with a focus on durability, comfort, and smooth performance. Number 2. MERACH Recumbent Home Bike. The MERACH Recumbent Home Bike is designed for users who prefer a comfortable, low-impact workout while still targeting weight loss and cardiovascular improvement. Its recumbent design provides excellent back support through an ergonomic mesh backrest and a thick padded seat, reducing strain on joints and making it especially suitable for seniors or those recovering from injuries. The 8-level magnetic resistance system allows smooth and quiet adjustments, letting users gradually increase intensity as fitness improves. A 6.6-pound perimeter-weighted flywheel ensures stable and consistent pedaling motion. The bike's frame design prioritizes accessibility with easy seat adjustments that accommodate leg lengths and body types. It also features a clear LCD display that tracks essential workout data such as speed, time, distance, calories burned, and heart rate. The built-in device holder adds convenience for watching videos or following guided workouts during exercise sessions. Its silent dual belt drive system makes it ideal for home use without disturbing others. Overall, this model is highly suitable for steady fat-burning workouts, long-duration cycling sessions, and users who prioritize comfort and joint-friendly exercise over high-intensity training.
Number 3. Pooboo Folding Home Bike. The Pooboo Folding Home Bike is a versatile and space-saving fitness solution designed for users who want both functionality and convenience in one machine. Its 4-in-1 design supports upright cycling for high-intensity fat burning, semi-recumbent riding for lower-impact exercise, and includes resistance bands for upper body workouts, allowing a more complete full-body training experience. This makes it highly effective for weight loss, muscle toning, and overall endurance improvement. A major advantage is its foldable frame, which allows it to be stored easily in small apartments or limited spaces. Despite its compact design, the bike maintains a strong steel structure capable of supporting up to 300 pounds, ensuring stability during workouts. The adjustable seat accommodates users of different heights, typically between 4'10" and 6'1", providing a customizable riding position. A built-in bottle holder adds convenience for hydration during long sessions. Transport wheels make it easy to move between rooms. The resistance system allows smooth transitions between intensity levels, helping users gradually progress in their fitness journey.
Number 4. YPOO Exercise Home Bike. The YPOO Exercise Home Bike focuses on delivering a quiet, smooth, and highly interactive indoor cycling experience suitable for modern home workouts. Built with a magnetic resistance system and industrial-grade bearings, it ensures friction-free operation while maintaining ultra-quiet performance under 25 decibels, making it ideal for apartments or late-night sessions.
Its dual triangle frame structure provides strong stability, even during high-intensity cycling, supporting users up to 300 pounds. One of its standout features is smart connectivity, allowing integration with fitness apps like YPOO Fit, Zwift, and KinoMap, which turn ordinary workouts into immersive virtual riding experiences. This adds motivation through global challenges, structured training plans, and real-time performance tracking. The resistance system is fully adjustable, enabling smooth transitions from light warm-ups to intense hill climbs. Comfort is enhanced through a fully adjustable seat and handlebars, making it suitable for users between 4'8" and 6'1". The LCD monitor displays essential fitness metrics such as time, speed, distance, and calories burned.
Number 5. CHAOKE Magnetic Home Bike. The CHAOKE Magnetic Home Bike is a feature-rich indoor cycling machine designed for users seeking both high-performance and interactive fitness training. Its 6-in-1 exercise system allows multiple riding styles, including seated cycling, standing rides, and resistance band workouts, enabling a full-body exercise routine that supports effective calorie burning and muscle toning. The bike uses a finely adjustable magnetic resistance system, offering smooth transitions across intensity levels, making it suitable for both beginners and advanced users. A heavy-duty 35-pound flywheel contributes to stable and consistent motion, while the double triangle frame design enhances durability and safety during intense workouts. It supports up to 300 pounds, ensuring reliability for a wide range of users. One of its strongest features is smart app compatibility, working with platforms like Zwift and KinoMap to provide global routes, live races, and structured training programs that increase motivation. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.